Dear student, today we are in our new point compounds of aluminium. Compound of aluminium. First of all is ultramarines. Ultramarine is a complex silicate with zinc. Silicate means SiO4 minus 4 having part. Silicate of aluminium and sodium metal with 12% sulfur present, which is called ultramarine. It is as a blue color. It is blue colored. The blue ultramarine has the composition Na5, Al3, Si3, S3 or 12, which is called lapis lazuli. In the earth crust minerals as a mineral. If this is heated in a stream of chlorine, a violet color variety of ultramarine obtained. When this ultramarine, when we heat with chlorine, gives violet color ultramarine. It is artificial અને natural નથી. Artificial છે lapis lazuli. The blue variety is the most popular and used in laundry for blowing purposes in calico paint printing and in blue paints. And due to blue color of lapis lazuli, we are using as a color in laundry. Laundry ની અંદર કપડાને blue બનાવવા માટે. Calico printing. Printing છે એક ટાઈપનું calico printing. And blue paint, blue color બનાવવામાં use થાય છે. Now aluminium oxide. Compound of aluminium is aluminium oxide. It is the most stable compound of aluminium. Aluminium has a great attraction toward oxygen. So most stable compound. Al2O3 સૌથી most stable compound છે. It occurs in nature as colorless corundum, name of mineral. Actually nature માંથી મળે એનું name છે corundum. Al2O3 colorless. Several color oxide due to presence of different d block metal oxide in Al2O3 when it is pure, which is colorless, but some chromium manganese ion present into it as an impurity, so it appears colorful. So it colorful દેખાશે. Alumina, we are calling gemstone. In the alumina, whenever impurities are present of d block element, which is called gemstone, colorful stone, rangin patthar. These colored oxide are used as precious stones like ruby. આપણે બરાબર છે કોઈ ઓર્નામેન્ટ્સ હોય એમાં આવા સ્ટોન છે જડેલા હોય છે, ફિક્સ્ડ હોય છે. રૂબી રેડ કલર હોય, ટોપાઝ યલો હોય, સેફાયર બ્લુ, એમેથિસ્ટ વાયોલેટ, એમરાલ્ડ ગ્રીન. This is name of colorful stone, and which has alumina main part and impurities of d block. So different kind of impurities present, and it appears a different color. Hydrated alumina occurs as bauxite. Hydrated means water containing. Without water હોય તો corundum, only Al2O3. Including water હોય તો bauxite. Only Al2O3, remember, so corundum. Al2O3 into 2H2O, which is bauxite. Now some property of Al2O3, aluminium oxide. It is a white crystalline, very stable compound. Crystalline means a specific structure and very stable compound. Its melting point and boiling point are very high. It melts Al2O3 convert into liquid from solid at 2050 degrees Celsius and evaporates at liquid convert into gas at 2980 degrees Celsius. On heating with carbon at high temperature forms aluminium carbide used for the preparation of methane. Yes, aluminium oxide is useful for making methane gas. First of all, aluminium oxide we have to heat round about 2000 degrees Celsius. So here carbon is reducing agent. Itself experiences oxidation. So 6 carbon convert into carbon monoxide and 3 carbon combines with 4 aluminium. This is aluminium carbide. Aluminium carbide easily hydrolyzed reaction with water. 1 aluminium having plus 3 charge, hydroxide having minus 1. So aluminium hydroxide 4 mole. Yes, from 12H plus and 12OH minus. 12OH is used here. Remaining 12 hydrogen combines with 3 carbon. So 1 carbon needed for hydrogen to make methane. So 3 mole of methane occurs. So alumina Al2O3 is important compound to make methane gas. Now aluminium chloride anhydrous without water, hydrated including water, anhydrous without water. Anhydrous aluminium chloride can be obtained by passing dry chlorine gas, otherwise dry hydrochloric gas, overheated aluminium in vacuum. Vacuum means in absence of air. So aluminium gas react with chlorine gives aluminium chloride at high temperature. Otherwise with hydrochloric gas, aluminium with HCl gives 2AlCl3 and 3 mole of H2 gas, like this. Aluminium is solid. We have to pass HCl gas at high temperature. Property: aluminium chloride is a white crystalline. Crystalline means a specific structure having substance in crystalline, which fumes in moist air. ધુમાડો આપે છે ભેજવાળી હવામાં. It fumes in moist air due to its hydrolysis. હવામાં ભેજ હોય તો એની સાથે તે સફેદ ધુમાડો આપે છે. Why? In the moist of air there is water present. Here 1 aluminium and 3 chloride. Here 3 mole of H plus and 3 mole of OH. Aluminium combines with OH gives aluminium hydroxide. 3 hydrogen with 3 chlorine gives 3 mole of hydrochloric acid. On heating, fumes HCl છે without water, white colored smoke આવે છે. Yes, HCl gas. Due to that, it gives white fumes. On heating, it sublimes at 180 degree. Sublimes means the aluminium chloride directly convert into gas. That is sublimation. Aluminium chloride direct, without converting liquid, direct converting to gas at 180 degrees Celsius. At sublimation point, its vapor density corresponds to formula Al2Cl6. It exists as a dimer. જ્યારે sublimation થાય, so which is in the dimer form, one vacant orbital of aluminium and lone pair of chlorine donates electron pair. So Al2Cl6 dimer હોય છે in the gaseous state, not in solid state. At higher temperature, about 750 degrees Celsius, and this vapor, when we heat at 750 degrees Celsius, so two molecules will be break and convert into AlCl3. It is largely covalent, hence it does not conduct current in fused state. AlCl3 is a covalent compound. Here all the bonds are covalent, participated electrons. So no any few free electrons are there. એમાં કોઈ free electrons નથી. Does not conduct current in fused state. એટલે પીગાળી નાખશું તો electric current pass નહીં કરે. But AlCl3 is not ionic by nature. It is a covalent. It has no any few free electrons there. Uses of AlCl3: anhydrous. Without water, AlCl3 employed as a catalyst in organic reaction. Fidelcraft reaction we are using benzene plus methyl chloride. We are using AlCl3 as a Lewis acid. So AlCl3 has one vacant orbital, Cl3 plus Cl minus. This Cl minus combines here gives electrophilic substances and temporary AlCl4 minus. So as a Lewis acid, for separation of these two, methylene chloride, AlCl3 important as a catalyst, and when chlorine enters here, hydrogen replaced from there, replace hydrogen combines with chloride as HCl, and we get as it is AlCl3, so which is useful catalyst in Fidelcraft's reaction in organic chemistry. Now alum. In Gujarati, we are calling ફટકડી, જેને આપણે ફટકડી કહીએ છીએ તે, which is alum. Introduction. Alums are double sulfate with their general formula. A dual salt છે, double salt છે, R2SO4 and M2SO4 thrice 24H2O, where R means monovalent, valency oxidation number charge plus 1 હોય એવું radical, monovalent radical here. So R2, suppose Na2SO4, K2SO4 or ammonium sulfate, where capital M is trivalent, Al plus 3, chromium plus 3, there should be chromium sulfate, aluminium sulfate or ferric sulfate. So the different alums are R2, common formula R2SO4, M2SO4 rise 24H2O. The different type of alums are First of all, potash alum. This is given in our book. આપણે ફટાફટ ત્યાં છે K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice and 24H2O, which is the potash alum. What is chrome alum? Potassium sulfate with chromium sulfate and 24H2O. So potash alum, this one chrome alum. Iron alum, ammonium sulfate and ferrous sulfate. This is also called ferrous ammonium sulfate. We are using in our chemistry lab ferrous ammonium sulfate. Now ammonium alum, ammonium sulfate, aluminium sulfate, 24H2O. These are the different type of alums. Now, in alum, each metal ion is surrounded by 6 water molecules. Why is 24? Yes. 1K plus ion is surrounded by 6 molecule of water. So here potassium R2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 with 12. Then after chromium also. There are 6 molecules around it. And another chromium having 6 molecules. So 6 4 24. So 24. One metal ion surrounded by 6 molecules of the water. So 24H2O. Lithium does not form alum. Lithium ion is too small. Lithium is very small in size. To have a coordinate number of 6. એટલે આવા 6 coordinate number possible જ નથી. So alum is not occur from lithium. Now pseudo alums. Pseudo means आभासी. Double sulfate of divalent ions and trivalent ions with 24 water molecules in their crystal are known as pseudoalum. લેવા કે મોનોવેલેન્ટ હતું, અહીંયા ડાયવેલેન્ટ અને ટ્રાઇવેલેન્ટ વાળા સલ્ફેટ હોય. ડાયવેલેન્ટ otherwise bivalent. Calcium sulfate and aluminium sulfate, 24H2O, aluminium having plus 3 charge, trivalent. This one having plus 2 charge, divalent. So divalent sulfate and trivalent sulfate નું mixture હોય, which is a pseudoalum. Properties of these alums. It is white, crystalline, highly soluble in water. Right? Actually, alums are ionic compound. So ionic compound easily dissolves into water. White, સફેદ કલરનું crystalline solid છે. Highly soluble in water. Why? By nature, which is the ionic. In potash alum, K2SO4, potassium with sulfate, aluminium with sulfate, there is a ionic bond. On heating, it undergoes dehydration and swell up. When we heat, so 24 molecules water are present, it will be evaporates. It is highly acidic in aqueous solution due to hydrolysis of aluminium sulfate to sulfuric acid. When we take K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice into 24H2O, on heating, highly acidic. Why? In the water, H plus and OH minus are present. From aluminium sulfate, Al and Al plus is sulfate. Sulfate combines with H plus, it forms sulfuric acid, which is a strong acid. So alums are acidic by nature. It is double salt. Yes, this one first, this one second. Double salt. Alums are double salt. An aqueous solution gives reaction all the constituent ions. When we dissolve into water, so it gives taste of લેબમાં K plus એલ્યુમિનિયમ સલ્ફેટ ions છે એને detect કરી શકાય by chemical methods. Uses alum is used to stop bleeding. તમે વાણંદની દુકાને કરી ગયા હશો દાઢી કર ત્યારે ફટાકડીનો ટુકડો છે મોઢા ઉપર ઘસે કે બ્લેડ લાગી જાય તો એટલે બ્લીડિંગ અટકાવવા માટે. It is used for purification of water. Water ના purification માટે use થાય છે. એટલે એમાં રહેલી impurities છે combines with the alum and it will be settled down in the bottom of the vessel and we can purify our water. It is used as a mordant in dyeing industries. What is mordant? કોઈ કાપડના રેસા fiber હોય અને color. So this iron combines both color અને fiber રેસા એ બેયને જોડવાનું કામ કરે. મોર્ડન નથી, મોર્ડન્ટ છે. એટલે કોઈ કપડા ઉપર કલર ચડાવતા હોય તેમાં એલમ ઇઝ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. આયન ઓફ એલમ કમ્બાઇન્સ બરાબર એને જોડી રાખશે કલર એન્ડ ફાઈબર. એલમ ઇઝ યુઝ ફોર ટેનિંગ ઓફ લેધર. એટલે પ્રાણીઓના શરીરમાંથી કોઈ લેધર કાઢીએ યુઝેબલ ના હોય એની પર કેમિકલ પ્રોસેસ થાય એને યુઝેબલ બનાવવા માટે we are using alum. Now our group number 14. We are in now our group number 14. In the modern periodic table, carbon group number 14. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Carbon is 6. When we add 8, so 14 plus 18 gives 32. 32 plus 18 gives 51, 50. And then 32 when we add, so 82. This is atomic number. After helium, 2s2, 2p2. There are 4 electrons here. After neon, 3s2, 3p2. Here after argon, 3d10, 4s2, 4p2. Here after krypton, 4d10, 5s2, 5p2. Here xenon, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p2. So common configuration is ns2 and p2. First member of this group is carbon, so which is called carbon family, carbon group. In Gujarati there is C jatil means carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. These are p block element having 4 electrons in their valence shell and thus placed in group 4a or 14th group. 14મું ગ્રુપ કહેવાય 14th. General characteristics, electronic configuration we discussed. This shows that they have ns2 and p2 configuration. So in outermost orbit contains 4 electrons. S orbital is spherical while 2 p orbitals are unpaired. Paired. In the S there are 2 electrons. In the p there are 2. These 2 are unpaired. This is paired. Metallic character. metallic character increases from top to bottom. When we move from top to bottom, metallic character increases. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. So tin and lead are metallic. Carbon are non-metal. Carbon is non-metal. Silicon, germanium are metalloid, semi-metal, otherwise metalloid, means dual nature, metal and non-metal. Tin and lead are metals. In the group number 14, remember, carbon is non-metal completely. Silicon, germanium, metalloid, semi-metal, also we can call so. Tin and lead are metals. Oxidation state. The configuration of valence shell electron is NH2 and P2 of these elements. Indicates that this element can lose or gain 4 electrons to attain inert gas configuration. Means એનો ઓક્ટેટ કમ્પ્લીટ કરવા કાં તો એ 4 ગેઇન કરશે, 4 છે આઉટરમોસ્ટ, કાં 4 ગેઇન કરશે અને કાં 4 લૂઝ કરશે, તો ઓક્ટેટ કમ્પ્લીટ થશે. ઇનર ગેસ જેવી કોન્ફિગરેશન થશે. ઇનર ગેસ મીન્સ હિલિયમ, નિયોન, આર્ગોન, ક્રિપ્ટોન, ઝેનોન લાઇક. That implies that they can form +4 and -4 ions. It means that it forms +4, can lose the +4. Otherwise it gains then -4 ions it gives. But due to low electroaffinity, they do not exhibit much tendency to form M-4 ion by gaining 4 electron, although carbon -4 is thought to be present in beryllium carbide and aluminium carbide. Electron affinity, the gaining nature of electron is less, but exceptionally carbon having -4 charge in beryllium carbide. 1 beryllium loses 2 electrons, so 4 lose correct. Carbon gains 4 electron. In aluminium carbide, 1 aluminium loses 3 electron and carbon gains 4 electron. So here 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s are -12. Now it is balanced. The elements of particularly carbon and silicon form mainly covalent bond, in which this element exhibit oxidation state of +4. Carbon and silicon forms generally covalent bond, in which this element exhibit oxidation state +4. When carbon combines with 4 chlorine, so +4. Silicon with 4 chlorine, so +4. The last 3 elements, germanium, tin and lead, have a tendency to +4 as well as +2. The +2 state due to inert pair effect becomes more pronounced in the heavier element, tin and lead. Germanium, tin and lead, it gives +4 and +2 having compound, but +4 करता +2 more stable છે. Lead +2 is more stable than +4. Why? In outermost s orbital is spherical, so attraction of the nucleus on overit high, less on np, so 2 remove કરશે. આના ઉપર એટ્રેક્શન હાઈ છે, આયનાઇઝેશન એન્થાલ્પી મોર થઈ જાય. એટલે ગ્રુપમાં ટોપ ટુ બોટમ જાઓ તો +4 આપે ખરી, પણ +4 કરતા +2 વાળા કમ્પાઉન્ડ મોર ડોમિનન્ટ છે. means PbO is more stable, having oxidation number +2 than PbO2. Melting point and boiling point. Carbon has an extremely high melting point, 4100 degrees Celsius. Carbon has highest melting point for 100 degree Celsius. Convert solid into liquid. Silicon melts appreciably lower than carbon, but the value of silicon germanium still high. આના કરતા લેસ છે, આમ તો એકચ્યુઅલી હાઈ જ છે. સિલિકોન મેલ્ટિંગ પોઈન્ટ 1420 ડિગ્રી, કાર્બન કરતા લેસ પણ એકચ્યુઅલી હાઈ કહેવાય. બીજા બધા એલિમેન્ટ્સની રેફરન્સમાં with reference to carbon less but reference to other elements high. Germanium 945 degree. Tin and lead are metallic and have much lower melting point. Tin having only 223 degree and lead 327 degrees Celsius. The reason of lower melting point is weaker metal-metal bond, and do not use all the 4 electrons for metallic bonding. Metal પાસે 4 electrons છે, તો મેં કીધું 2 તો S ના છે, 2 P ના છે. 2 P ના છે એ metallic bond form કરવામાં use થાય. The weak metallic bonds are there. So melting point of tin and lead are lower. Now we will discuss more about it in our next lecture. Till then, bye.